You guys ready to roll? You know where we're going today?
No.
You don't know?
Can't remember the name. Louisville?
Ah.
Yes.
Yes. Going to Lakes Louisville. We're gonna fish a lake that I really like a lot. It's kind of like an urban Dallas lake, in my opinion at least. And we're gonna shoot for the fences. It's almost 4 p.m. It's very late. I've been up just trying to get some last minute stuff finished. And we're gonna try to maybe possibly catch some largemouth or some hybrid bass. Anyway, I'm on the road now. I'm gonna put down the camera because it's a little dangerous, and I'll see you guys at the ramp. I don't know what it is, but it has been non-stop wind since I've got to Texas. Matter of fact, it's been non-stop wind since like I've lived here. It's just been such a weird spring. Hopefully we can grab up some fish and get to cranking. Let's get to fishing. Carl's throwing the shig head, Alex is throwing the crankbait, I'm throwing the jig. It's really great to have 2 other guys in the boat when fishing a lake that I don't fish much, because it means I get to cover more water and we get to also eliminate what baits are working, or what I guess baits aren't working. I'm throwing a bottom bait, he's throwing a bottom bait, and he's throwing a moving bait. As you can tell right now, we have no idea what they're eating. Yep, there he is. Not a bad one. Little one. I got him. Ah, first fish of the day.
Yes, John.
Not too bad. We're fishing the old Lake Dallas Dam right now. Oh my God. That fish does not deserve to be caught. He has had much better days. Buddy, I'm so sorry you fell for the jig. Chomp, that's a toad. Big mouth, little body. You need some Jergens, bud. You're looking quite cruddy. Big accomplishment. Boom! Yes! How about that, guys? That's a start.
I love that he came back. You're like, oh, that was a good bite.
Yeah, and then he came right back. Are you feeling any bottom?
Occasionally close to the bank.
Okay. You on?
Yeah.
Oh, that could be something big.
Oh.
That could be something big. Yeah.
Damn,
Loosen your drag, loosen your drag. That could be a hybrid.
Oh boy. Oh my.
That's something big.
It was tight to the bank as well. I felt 2 rocks.
Just make sure to let some line out if you have to. It might be a catfish. Yeah, it's a catfish. No way. That's crazy. You just caught a flathead. I've never caught one of these before my entire life. Yeah, what? That is incredible.
Catfish on a crankbait.
Look how he ate it. That's a pretty cool catch.
How do you hold these things?
Good question. That is the most amazing flathead I've ever seen. He's black. That is an insane fish.
That is the most craziest catfish.
Bud, you were catching fish this trip that like I never have even like seen bass anglers catch. Like that is not, look at his mouth. So I'm thinking, we're looking for new pets for the Googan Tank. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this guy on the live well. He is over the legal minimum size limit, which I think is 18 inches for flathead catfish in the state of Texas, and bring him back to the crib. Beautiful fish. Honestly, I've never seen a flathead that black and dark. That is one badass fish. You call it a what, a crankbait?
A crankbait, yeah.
What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna fill up the live well. This kid is catching the weirdest fish this trip, I swear. All right, let's try to catch some bass now, guys. What do you think? You've caught a channel cat this trip. You caught a flathead. You guys are catching carp. You guys are catching spotted bass, largemouth, of course. The only thing that we haven't got that we've actually been trying for is a smallmouth. What is the deal with that? Oh! Oh my! That was a big spotted. That was a nice one. No bass. A ton of freaking gar though. Oh my God, look at them all. I'm gonna catch one of these guys. These are big. These won't fit in the tank at all. No.
Oh my good, they are.
Yeah. These are huge. Look at the size of these gar.
These are massive.
Oh my God, he swam right in the net. He's in the net. I got him in the net. No way.
Oh my goodness.
He swam right. Oh no, he just all over my bag.
Yeah.
Oh my God, oh my God. Careful, careful, careful. Oh no, he's creaming all over my freaking, oh no. What in the world? Oh no, oh no, oh no. I caught a gar, wasn't on a rod and reel. They're up here spawning on the bank, and I just netted him. We've been looking for a gar as a pet. Oh, will you look at that? That's just dandy. Like I said, they're doing a little spawning right now. This thing literally swam right into the net. I thought maybe on the off chance. That's pretty crazy. These things are really cool. I absolutely love gar. This is a spotted, I believe. We're gonna get him back in the water so we can do a spawn deal. He's already mating with my boat right now. He's trying to make babies with the slow. All right, buddy, go back there, do your thing. Ugh, that was pretty exciting, guys, right?
That was a bit crazy.
Well, that's not cool. I can pretty much confirm that was a male gar, not a female. What you got there, buddy?
Some donut.
What? You guys eat the weird... Are those blueberry?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, give me one. stellar. Oh, that's so good. The Lake Louisville mission has been quite unique today. Can't call it a failure because we've had some of the weirdest turn of events. I came out here thinking we'd catch like 1 or 2 bass each. I've got 1 bass, which looked like it was on its last days. I netted a gar. He smoked a channel catfish on a crankbait. Among that, we saw about 100, probably close to 100, maybe a little less, that's exaggerating. 30 or 40 gar spawning, and one that was close to 4.5 feet. That one was huge. That's one of the coolest things about coming out to these Texas lakes. You just really don't know what you're gonna cross paths with. For example, we're gonna try one more spot on the windy side of the lake and call it quits. Get you guys to the spot. There we go. That's a good one. Stay down. Largie. Ooh, fat largie. Fat largie. This was a little bit more healthier than the first one I caught. Nice largie. Good fish. That's a textbook Texie largie. Fat little belly. Nice green old looking. Oh, he's got some poop on him though. He is pooping. Oh, actually, come to think of it, he just pooped all over my boat. The gar gravy and bass poop, my boat has seen much better days. Okay, bud. I will see you later. Ugh. Oh, this boat needs a deep clean. I just want to bring it through a wash. Oh my God, that's foul. You gotta be kidding me. Poop.
Oh no, I'm drifting into the wind.
Oh God!
I was drifting into the wind as well.
Did you get some on your drawers?
No.
Oh, good one. Oh. Good one. Get that net last minute fish. Oh no, don't worry about it. I got it. I got it. It's not that big. Come here, buddy. Come here, you little shaky head fish. Oh, this is what I call a clutch fish right here. Mega clutch. Wow. That is a Lake Louisville bass. Oh, he choked the shaky head. He was not going anywhere. Smoked him on the rigged Phantom rod. The 2-piecer, the 7.3. An interesting looking fish too, is he's got green scales all the way across his body. I haven't really seen a fish ever look like this. I mean, don't you agree that fish is kind of weird looking? Like his scales are green all the way down there. Maybe it's just me, maybe it's the light, but that is a very pretty fish. I think this is it. Last fish of the day. Going back in the drank, in the Louisville drank. Louisville drank. Here she goes. And that is a sunset bass. Right in the middle. Yep. This actually really scares me. You're going a little, okay, you're good. You're good. Keep going forward, you got this. A little more to your left. Beautiful. Give her some gas. Yeah? Yeah, go. That's good, that's good. Better than I've ever done, jeez. So you wanna grab the net? What's the best? Kitty cat, here we go. Gonna put you, he's really fat.
It's actually bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's pretty big. That's a nice little kitty cat there. Oh, got him in there. All right, let's go to the Googan Tank. Onwards, quickly, quickly. We're putting him in the Googan Tank. Let's go. Oh, there you go, there we go. He's coming up. There he goes. Oh, wow. That's a big catfish. Mr. Whiskers. New home.
He is actually quite big.
He's big. Oh my God, that's pretty badass though. Well, welcome to your new home.
He likes swimming backwards. What do you think?
What? How does he like the? He's kind of big. He's got this much room to turn around. I think it's a lot of we might have to rearrange some of the rocks, like push them back a bit. He's definitely the king of the tank now. This is your fault. You caught this. Wow. I can't believe that. Yeah. I would say he's liking his new home. I had to rearrange some of the rocks just because he is a bigger fish. I think he's right around like 19 and a half, 20 inches. Don't have an exact measurement on him. Oh no, he is over the legal limit. So what I did is I moved these rocks, I pushed them back a bit So that way he's got this space to turn around and readjust his body. He is just almost too big for this fish tank. I think he's like just the top size. The thing that I have to realize is this fish is going to get bigger. Flathead catfish can get up to like 70 pounds. They can get ginormous. So this is probably not going to be a permanent fish. But for now, you know, he's gonna love his home here. Maybe eventually donate him to like Bass Pro Shop or Cabela's, or I don't necessarily know how that works. I think I'm gonna stick to the name Mr. Whiskers. Hence the fact that he's got some whiskers right there, and he is a kitty fish. A mean little dude. I actually really like flathead. I've never caught one in my entire life, but I've been very fascinated. I think they're one of the coolest catfish, at least in the United States, that I can think of off the top of my head. Good day today, boys.
Yeah, boy.
Made something out of nothing. Honestly, we weren't gonna really go out to fish today. It was just like kind of the unwinding portion of this whole 4 day long Googan shoot that we've been up to. These guys actually have been partaking. Matter of fact, we had this challenge where it was like UK anglers versus US anglers. You guys gotta check that out once it drops. These guys did pretty good, that's all I'll say. They did pretty freaking good. How stoked are you guys to have Mr. Whiskers, a new member to the Googan Tank, in the MTB crib? That's nuts. I don't care what you guys say. I'm sure a lot of other cooler fish could have been put in that tank, but once he caught that, I was thinking to myself, that is like gotta be the coolest addition to a tank. Don't know how big he's gonna get. We'll have to play that by ear. I feel like I'm gonna get down there one morning and he's gonna have like Gary hanging out of his mouth. What's tomorrow's game plan, boys? What's gonna happen tomorrow?
We are going to get some filming done with you.
Yeah.
And it's also going to rain, apparently.
Yes. Which means we're probably not going to be able to film and also fish because it's supposed to lighten. We still have about 4 days to catch some good, or about maybe 3 days, to catch some good fish here in the United States. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for all that goodness that we're using today. Didn't really get on a hot pattern, but it's always good to know what we were catching them on and how we caught the gar, the bass, and the kitty. Hope you guys are staying safe, catching fish, and as always, folks, keep fishing.